Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking this extremely delicious and easy dish known as butter garlic clams. So let's start cooking. For this dish I'll be using Gourmet 30 cm Nitriding wok. Heat up your pan, add in a little bit of oil, add in 30 grams of butter. The purpose of the oil is so that the butter will not be brown or burnt. Turn the heat down to medium-low. We'll add in 1 whole bulb of garlic chopped up. Now I do know that in some countries garlic are pretty expensive, but for this dish you really have to do so because it's the soul of this dish. Right, at low heat, we'll fry this until we can smell the beautiful fragrance coming from the garlic. We don't want to brown this, we just want to soften this. And of course, to get the beautiful aroma out. Remember, heat will be medium-low. When you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance coming from the garlic, we'll add in 100 milliliters of water. Turn the heat up to medium and let this come to a boil. For the clams, I'm using frozen cooked clams. If you are using fresh clams, please make sure to soak them in water, salted water, and to get rid of the sand first. We have a video for that and you can watch it. Put in all your clams. This is 1 kilogram of clams. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, as well as 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now don't stir them first. You put the lid on and let this steam for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. If you are using raw clams, my advice is to cook this for at least 4 minutes or until the shell pops open like this. I'll see you back in a while. The clams should be done already. Let's have a look. Remember, I kept this at medium heat. Now we will put in 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. The important thing for this dish is don't keep stirring them around, otherwise the flesh will fall off. What I'm doing over here is I just swirl like this and then I just flip a little bit like this. Okay? And now we'll just add in a handful of chopped spring onion. You can use chive if you want to, no problem. Same thing. Just swirl and flip like this. Alright, the dish is done. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells heavenly. The garlic, the butter, this, I'm drooling already. This will be very good with sourdough bread or even rice or pasta. Let's just give this a taste. I love this. Easy to prepare, extremely delicious, very addictive. And so ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. Thank you and see you again.